I am the Cataclysm!
You're toying with death!
I am Deathwing. You have done nothing! I will tear your world apart!
I will bring you closer to the Emerald Dream. Seek safety there when the fight becomes too intense.
You're the match to my fire, yeah. My light to my dark, yeah. My only desire, that we never part. How I feel is so weird.
Holy shit, you just killed the fucking fire all whoever that was. Fuck it though. Yeah, we
I didn't kill a pet, just an elemental, just a totem.
Yeah, all good. All good on my pet. Okay.
Every time he says that, he's like, ah, you're just talking. All good though. All good though.
Yeah, all good, man. Yeah, man, it's all good. Lock it, man.
Deathwing is conjuring the final cataclysm. Even the Emerald Dream trembles. If we are to stop the spell, we must attack him together!
You got me speechless. Every time you get close, I wanna run away. And I'm facing my fears, girl, so I'm here to stay. Hey, hey, girl, you got me speechless. Hey, no, you got me speechless.
I will cleanse whatever corruption I can. My fire will not harm you.
I never knew how to deal with what I've got. There's always a start to everything. This is a new beginning for me. And I can't pretend, no, no, no. I'm accepting these feelings. And I don't want this end. Cause my heart and my mind are in some kind of crazy conflict. I've never felt this before, and the fear of getting hurt's alarming. That's why you got me speechless. Words are so hard to explain. You got me speechless. Sometimes I just wanna pull away. You got me speechless. Every time you get close, I wanna run away. And I'm facing my fears, girl, so I'm here to stay. Girl, you got me speechless. No, you got me speechless. You know I wasn't searching, love has found me. It's taking some time and some learning.
Yo, should fucking do it, bro. I see you.
Go back.
Did I get anyone?
Tentacles.
I missed my own trap. That's crazy. I had to move out of my trap.
Yeah, one job, man. Get that stacks on the right, man. Just fucking dig that shit, man. Call it a wife.
Every time you get close, I wanna run away. And I'm facing my fears, girl, so I'm here to stay. Girl, you got me speechless.
No! Such power! Deathwing's summoning of the final cataclysm will destroy all life on Azeroth. Quickly! We must interrupt him!
Yo, chill.
The dog doing?
Don't touch it. Don't.
Is
All right, chill.
is that SLT up later in the fight?
Yeah. What's up for when we need it?
I will slow the destroyer's attacks when I can.
Forget it, so I just took it now. Want my motherfucking credit. Ain't never gonna change my course. Full speed television, I'm a racing horse. I ain't a kill, don't play the sport. I don't know what it is y'all waiting for. Nobody gonna hold your hand. I did it, I stole my chance. I took it and ran. I played them all.
Are we talking you or Lion?
Parasite explodes in 3.
Great talk.
No, I don't know why you died that time.
I don't know either. I had my CDs up.
Whatever, we keep going. We're good. Rebuff him.
I stayed hungry, nothing changed me, call me Young Shady. I don't give a fuck either way, no pain. I've been involved, I played a part, I took the hits, I did it all, the waiting's off, now give me this, give me this. I thought I told you. See, I could quit now and be a chump motherfucker, but I'd rather reload and just dump motherfucker. Wagging their fingers, hating, laughing, they think they break me. Half of them couldn't keep my pace if I was out there waiting. I always hear them doubting, they don't know shit about me. They won't respect you till you hopping in that brand new Audi. But if it's all they want, they got it, baby, scenes present. I just hope they don't mind the heat or for the sake of heaven. I've come to get it out for blood, I am done pursuing. The time is now, so they focus on just how I do it. I'm out of place, out of hand, out of space. And this bottle in my hand got me feeling.
Good job. Next one, Taros will AM, and Siren will train.
Hurry, heroes. In mere moments, Deathwing's cataclysm will complete what he's begun and end the world. Join me in the attack, now!
Hang on out.
And Frank, Siren, good.
I thought we told you. Yeah, I could quit now and be a chump motherfucker, but I'd rather reload and just dump motherfucker.
Good job. Pay attention on this platform. I don't know what goes on, why we fall apart so bad here.
Yeah. I'm busy in the clouds, you in the cloud of dust. I'm in the G5, you missed the crowded bus. But I will charge you with arcane energy to blast your foes. Every day, but never hurt the weak. I stay inspired, my hunger keeping the fire living. I cook ambition, you are what you eat, so I'm ambitious. My vision vivid, I see the mission as clear as day. Just take a listen, it's business, homie, I'm on my way. I'm on my way.
Bolt is much quicker on the platform. You have to make it to purple. It's a Spirit Link, ZAMZ, Rally, Mouse's DSAC. Defensive. Get to purple. To purple. To purple. To purple. Get out of this. Spread out. Spread out. Spread out. Spread out. Spread out. We're not stacking yet. Keep Shooter alive. Okay. Stack. Blood's next. Blood's next. Bloods have to die before we get oozes. Or good. We're stacking for radiant.
Give me a lot.
Alive.
Target change.
Blow these tentacles up.
The Destroyer is gathering all his might for a blow that will split the world! Attack him now! We must stop the final cataclysm!
It's all wild up or what?
Taurus, you're gonna AM next one.
Got it.
Siren, you have Trank, right?
Yep.
Okay.
Target change.
Right near the end, like when we get to higher stats, not yet.
Came out.
Trank down.
Yep.
I am Deathwing, the Destroyer, the end of all things. Inevitable, indomitable, I am the Cataclysm!
Kill ads. Off the boss. You're killing ads.
Kill them niggas, man.
Shrapnel on you.
Hell yeah.
Man.
Press your buttons. Don't die. Last shrapnel in the back. I'm rezzing Dillon. You're ready
Bring
for
the
blood.
17.
Stop.
Target
Kill.
change.
Just kill on boss. Get ready to kill these big guys. Kill these big guys. Bloods are next. Rogue, you're gonna single target down to Bloods in the front. That's the Bloods you're killing. The Bloods in the front.
Aren't they crippling poison?
They need to, but that's just Phantom Knight. They should still be off the front target though.
If they
Get ready for Bloods. Get ready for Bloods.
We have to bring it to 15.
Phantom Knight.
Kill. Alright, get ready for terrors again.
Keep on the Bloods. Stay on the Bloods.
Good job on Blood.
Bring it down to 12.
Yeah, no, you're gonna save it for when the end.
Alright, chill.
Stop DPS. Stop DPS.
No more death to
Target
shrapnel.
change.
Pull your pets. Kill the extra shit.
Kill this. If you have it, you are pressing your button.
Right now?
No, not yet. Who Stabber, myself, Siren.
Bloods.
Bloods are up. Bloods are up.
Bloods.
Target change.
Get ready for ads. Ads are up. We're killing these ads. We're killing Bloods
Bloods are
first.
up again.
Bloods first, and then kill. Then big ads. Bloods. Tanks will survive for a little bit. Good job. You're killing these ads, and then back on Blessing. We're gonna get Bloods when we're pushing him below 10%. Keep pushing. We're gonna get Bloods here. Bloods. Got a knife here, got the slow. We keep pushing.
Nope.
Yeah. If terror spawn, you're just pressing your button or ignoring them. Stack up for Spirit Link so we don't die. Ron, you're
ready
gonna
for
Spirit Link
Blood.
Kill Bloods here. Kill Bloods.
Shrapnel on you.
Everybody will press their dream button here. I will call it. And Spirit, Ron, Spirit Link now. Press dream. Dream. Press button. Good. Kill Bloods. Kill Deathwing. Just kill Deathwing.
Kill the boss. Almost.
Target change.
About 2 million.
Good job.
Good job. Fucking A, man.
Looks like I logged in just in time.
We fucking killed
Damn,
the Lich
thanks,
King.
Rob.
You're welcome.
The
I was here in
Lich
spirit.
King.
The Lich
Check him out.